Hello student, myself Ravi Mishra. We are going to teach now something different from their syllabus. We are going to teach or coaching for competition exams which is needed for today's competitive world. So we prepare the students for Sainik School, Navodaya, Military School, NTSC and other competition exam. Whatever I am going to teach, it will come in competition exam. All the students concentrately learn whatever teaching in the class so that you may crack all competition exam. In this video, we discuss the topic agriculture because there are many important questions that comes from the agriculture topic in various competition exams. Now, we know that India is an agriculture country. About 70% of our population depend on agriculture. One third of our national income comes from agriculture. Our economy is based on agriculture. The development of agriculture has much to do with the economic welfare of our country. Our agriculture remained underdeveloped for a long time. We did not produce enough food for our people. Our country had to buy food grains from other countries, but the things are changing now. India is producing more food grains than its need. Some food grains are being sent to other countries. Great improvement has been made in agriculture through our 5-year plans. Green revolution has been brought about the agriculture field. Now our country is self-sufficient in food grains. It is now in a position to export supplies food grain and some other agriculture products to other countries. Now, India ranked first in the world in the production of tea, groundnut. It's ranked second in the world in the production of rice, sugarcane, jute, oilseed till recent. Past before independence, our agriculture depend on rains. In case the monsoon were good, we got a good harvest, and in case of the monsoon were not good, the crop failed, and there was a famine in the some part of the country. After the independence, our government made plans for the development of agriculture. Dams were constructed across many of the main rivers and canals were dug out to provide water for the irrigation of the land. Tube and pump sets were provided to the farmers to irrigate the field. The use of better seeds, fertilizers and new technology in agriculture has brought about a revolution called the Green Revolution in agriculture. The use of manure fertilizer helps to restore the fertility of the soil. Our government has set up fertilizers plants Nangal, Sindri, Trombi, Gorakhpur, Kamrup and Nengli. And our farmers use different type of irrigation methods to irrigate the crop and use some fertilizers, chemical fertilizers and pesticides, insecticides for protecting the crop as well as growing the crop. Now, on the basis of our discussion, we discuss many questions that come in various competitions such as Navodaya, NTSC, military, Sainik School and other competitive exams. All the students concentrately learn whatever teaching in the class so that you may crack all competition exam. So now we start the question answer. Now the first question, which of the following cannot be grown in desert of Rajasthan? Now the first option is second bajra, third banana and fourth mustards. In this question, we clarify which crop do not grown in desert of Rajasthan. The answer of this question is banana. Banana cannot be grown in desert of the plant because it requires a lot of amount of water. Now the next second question, which of the following is a plantation crop? Such as first option jute, second cotton, third tea and fourth sugarcane. So tea is a plantation crop. Jute, cotton and sugarcane cane is not a plantation crop. So the option number C is correct. Now third questions, horticulture crops are: first option fruits, flower; second option cereal, pulses; third tea and coffee; fourth groundnut. The horticulture are those culture in which we grown fruits and flowers. Now the first option is correct. Next, fourth question, which of the following provide all three nutrients: carbohydrate, protein and fat? Now the first option banana, second groundnut, third mango and fourth apple. So second B option, groundnut, is the correct answer because it provides carbohydrate, protein and fats to the human body. Next, question number 5. Plowing of field is essential before sowing seeds as it provides. The first option, deep penetration of plant roots; second, ventilation; third, promotes growth of soil bacteria. Next option, all of the above. If we plowing the field before the sowing the seeds, it provide deep penetration of plant roots; ventilation, promote growth of soil bacteria. So the last option, option number D, is the correct, all of the above, because it provide deep penetration, ventilation and promotes growth. Next, second, 6 number questions. Sowing of seeds by the seed drill is known as: first option seed drilling, telling; third option leaning; and fourth none of the above. Sowing of the seeds by the seed drill is known as seed drilling method. Now the first option is correct. Next, 7 number question, which of the following is a kharif crop? We know that kharif crop is shown in June and July and harvest in October and November. Now the first option wheat, second maize, third paddy and fourth bajra. We know that the paddy is a kharif crop because it set up in June and July season. Next, question number 8, which of the following crops is shown by the seedling? First option wheat, second mustard, third paddy, next bajra. Now the option number C is correct. The paddy are those crops which is shown by the seedling method. Now question number 9, which of the following is a rabi crop? Now the first wheat, mustard, barley and all of the above. So already we know that rabi crop are those which sowing in winter season. So wheat, mustard and barley both are the correct crops that shown in rabi crop. So the option number D, all of the above, is the correct. Now the next question number 10, kharif season lasts from: first option October to March, September to March, June, July to September, November to April. Already we discussed in previous questions. The kharif season belongs to June, July to September. It means kharif crop showing in June and July and harvest in September. So students, we discussed 10 questions from agriculture topic. Please learn and revise these questions for competition exam and crack all competition exam in easy way. In next video we discuss other important questions that come in competition exam. Thanks.